Ladies and gentlemen, today we embark on an exciting journey into the world of numismatics, focusing on a truly extraordinary piece of American history, the 1906 United States of America $1 coin. This coin, bearing the iconic phrase, E pluribus unum, and commemorating Ellis Island as the gateway to America, is not just a piece of currency, but a symbol of hope, freedom, and the American dream. Designed by P. Mitmark, this coin holds a special place in the hearts of collectors and history enthusiasts alike. The year 1906 was a pivotal time in American history. Ellis Island, the primary immigration station in the United States, was at the forefront of the nation's immigration process. Millions of people from around the world passed through its gates, seeking a better life in the land of opportunity. The phrase, E pluribus unum, meaning, out of many, one, perfectly encapsulates the spirit of unity and diversity that has defined the United States. This coin was minted to honor the role of Ellis Island as the gateway to America, serving as a tribute to the countless immigrants who contributed to the building of the nation. The design of the 1906 $1 coin by P. Mitmark is both elegant and symbolic. It captures the essence of the American experience, featuring the image of Ellis Island with the words, Gateway to America, prominently displayed. This design reminds us of the hopes and dreams of those who arrived on its shores, seeking a new beginning. The coin is a beautiful representation of the American spirit, making it a cherished item for collectors. The historical significance of this coin cannot be overstated. It represents a time when the United States was being shaped by the influx of diverse cultures and traditions. The immigrants who passed through Ellis Island brought with them their unique customs, languages, and skills, enriching the fabric of American society. This coin serves as a reminder of their contributions and the enduring legacy they left behind. Now, let's delve into the value of this remarkable coin. The 1906 $1 coin is highly sought after by collectors for several reasons. Firstly, its historical importance makes it a valuable piece of American heritage. Secondly, the coin's design and craftsmanship are exceptional, making it a beautiful addition to any collection. The rarity of this specific design commemorating Ellis Island further enhances its desirability among numismatists. The condition of the coin plays a significant role in determining its worth. A well-preserved coin with minimal wear and clear details can fetch a high price in the market. Coins that have been carefully stored and maintained over the years are particularly valuable. The provenance, or history of ownership, of the coin can also impact its value, especially if it has been part of a notable collection or has a documented history. So, how valuable is this coin? The value of the 1906 $1 coin can vary widely depending on its condition and provenance. In general, coins in good condition can be worth several $100s. However, exceptionally well-preserved coins, or those with unique historical significance, can command prices in the thousands. Some rare specimens have been known to sell for upwards of $10,000 at auction, making them a significant investment for collectors. The emotional and historical value of this coin is immeasurable. Owning a piece of history that represents the dreams and aspirations of millions of immigrants is a privilege. It is a tangible connection to the past, a reminder of the struggles and triumphs that have shaped the United States. For those who appreciate the rich tapestry of American history, this coin is a treasure beyond compare. For collectors and history enthusiasts, the 1906 $1 coin is a must-have. It is not just an investment in a piece of metal. It is an investment in the story of America. The coin is a testament to the enduring spirit of the nation, a symbol of the unity and diversity that make the United States unique. Its value, both monetary and historical, is undeniable, making it a prized possession for anyone who appreciates the significance of American heritage. The 1906 $1 coin also serves as an educational tool, offering a glimpse into the past and the experiences of those who came to America seeking a better life. It is a reminder of the challenges they faced and the resilience they demonstrated in building a new life in a foreign land. This coin is a powerful symbol of the American dream, representing the hope and determination that have driven generations of immigrants. In addition to its historical and emotional value, the 1906 $1 coin is also a work of art. The design by P. Mitmark is a masterpiece of numismatic craftsmanship, capturing the essence of the American experience in a single image. The intricate details and symbolism of the coin make it a beautiful piece to behold, worthy of display in any collection. The rarity of the 1906 $1 coin adds to its allure. While many coins were minted in 1906, the specific design commemorating Ellis Island is less common, making it a prized possession for numismatists. The scarcity of this coin in excellent condition further enhances its value, as collectors are always on the lookout for rare and well-preserved specimens. The market for rare coins is dynamic, with prices fluctuating based on demand and availability. The 1906 $1 coin has consistently been a sought-after item, with its value appreciating over time. As more collectors recognize the significance of this coin, its desirability and worth are likely to increase, making it a sound investment for those looking to add a valuable piece of American history to their collection. For those who are new to the world of coin collecting, the 1906 $1 coin is an excellent starting point. Its historical significance, beautiful design, and potential for appreciation make it a worthwhile addition to any collection. Whether you are a seasoned numismatist or a novice collector, this coin offers a unique opportunity to own a piece of American history. In conclusion, the 1906 United States of America $1 coin commemorating Ellis Island is a valuable and historically significant piece of numismatic art. Its design, rarity, and connection to a pivotal moment in American history make it a prized possession for collectors. The coin serves as a powerful reminder of the American dream, representing the hopes and aspirations of millions of immigrants who came to the United States seeking a better life. The value of this coin, both monetary and historical, is undeniable. It is a tangible connection to the past, a reminder of the struggles and triumphs that have shaped the United States. For collectors and history enthusiasts, the 1906 $1 coin is a must-have, offering a unique opportunity to own a piece of American heritage. Its beauty, rarity, and significance make it a treasure beyond compare. So, if you have the opportunity to acquire this coin, do not hesitate. It is a piece of history that will only continue to appreciate in value over time. The 1906 $1 coin is more than just a collectible. It is a symbol of the enduring spirit of the United States, a testament to the unity and diversity that define the nation. Next up, specifically focusing on the United States of America $1 coin, known as the fine silver $1 police coin. This particular coin has garnered significant attention among collectors and investors alike, and for good reason. Its unique design, historical significance, and limited mintage make it a standout piece in the realm of numismatics. The fine silver $1 police coin is not just any ordinary dollar coin. It is crafted from fine silver, which immediately adds intrinsic value due to the precious metal content. Silver has long been a sought-after commodity, and coins made from this metal often appreciate in value over time. This coin, with its intricate design and high-quality minting, is no exception. Historically, the United States has produced a variety of dollar coins, each with its own story and significance. The fine silver $1 police coin is part of a series that commemorates law enforcement and their contributions to society. This thematic element adds a layer of historical and cultural value, making it more than just a piece of currency. It is a tribute to the brave men and women who serve and protect. The current value of the fine silver $1 police coin can vary depending on several factors, including its condition, rarity, and the current market demand for silver. As of now, these coins are highly sought after by collectors, and their value has been steadily increasing. In pristine condition, these coins can fetch a significant premium over their face value and silver content. Looking to the future, the potential for this coin to appreciate in value is substantial. As with any collectible, rarity plays a crucial role in determining its worth. The limited mintage of the fine silver $1 police coin means that as time goes on, fewer of these coins will be available in the market, driving up their value. Additionally, the ongoing demand for silver and the historical significance of the coin will likely contribute to its appreciation. For those considering investing in this coin, the maximum value it can reach is difficult to predict with absolute certainty. However, given the trends in the numismatic market and the increasing interest in rare coins, it is not unreasonable to expect that the value of the fine silver $1 police coin could reach several times its current worth in the coming years. Some experts speculate that, under the right conditions, the coin could potentially fetch thousands of dollars at auction. The history of the fine silver $1 police coin is rich and adds to its allure. It was minted during a time when there was a growing appreciation for commemorative coins that celebrated important aspects of American culture and history. The coin's design, featuring elements that honor law enforcement, resonates with many collectors who value the symbolism and the story behind the coin. In terms of its current market value, the fine silver, 1 police, coin is already a valuable asset. Collectors are willing to pay a premium for coins in excellent condition, and the demand shows no signs of waning. At this time, the maximum price one could expect to sell this coin for could range from a few hundred to several $1,000s, depending on its condition and the buyer's willingness to pay. The potential for future value growth is significant. As more people become aware of the coin's rarity and historical importance, the demand is likely to increase, further driving up its price. For those who hold this coin, it represents not just a piece of history, but also a potentially lucrative investment. In conclusion, the fine silver 1 police coin is a remarkable piece of American numismatic history. Its fine silver content, unique design, and limited mintage make it a valuable asset for any collector or investor. The current value is already impressive, but the potential for future appreciation is even more exciting. As with any investment, there are no guarantees, but the signs point to a bright future for this exceptional coin. So, if you have the opportunity to acquire one, don't hesitate. It could be one of the best decisions you make in your collecting or investment journey. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the fine silver 1 police coin. We hope this information has been enlightening and has motivated you to consider the value and potential of this remarkable piece of American history. Happy collecting!